people, good evening, good afternoon, good what? Good morning, whatever time you are watching this video. Thank you so much for consuming my content. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers, and thank you so much for the new subscribers. So guys, on our today's video, I want to show you on how to make omena. Do you know what is omena? The omena are the small fish, fish. So guys, have you ever eaten omena? Do you have that myth that when you eat omena they will go to watakukula kwa tumbo yako? No. So guys, on today's video I want to show you on how to make omena yenye hainuki au ski the smell. So guys, stay tuned, watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends, share with the family, and let us grow together. So guys, stay tuned till the end. So guys, on our today's video, I had already prepared, nilikuwa already nishachagua our omenas. So guys, for me, and don't even take these my big omenas. When choosing, ensure that you check these snail shells. So guys, because you don't have to eat them. Then when unakagua, make sure umetoa mpaka mawe. So guys, stay tuned to watch till the end. Meanwhile, I have already pre-boiling my water there. So guys, stay tuned to see how the video will go by. So guys, because my water had already boiled, so let me put my omenas here. And by the way guys, I will also show you on how to store your omenas for a whole month in your fridge. So guys, watch till the end. Remember to subscribe if not yet subscribed. Press the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will be notified. Give this video a like guys. You see? Kagua vizuri. So guys, you see? And our lemon is here. So guys, watch till the end. Let us go to our chicken. So guys, if you can see that our water had already boiled. So guys, watch till the end because I will tell you why I have boiled my water. So after that, you put our lemon water on it. Like that guys. Then after putting your lemon water, you stir so that the water can be even with the lemon water. After that, you put your omenas inside your guys. After putting your omena inside the boiling water, so stir your omenas like this so that each and every part of the omena. Then guys, when putting your omena, ensure that the water in your sufuria ni mingi so that wakati hizi omena zinakuwa na mchanga. So wakati unastaa hivi, zingine zinakuwa zikitapika hiyo mchanga. So sijui venye huwa zinatoka, but chini yake mtaona kutakuwa na mchanga. You see guys? Haya. Guys, let me tell you the purpose of putting our lemon. Our lemon juice tumeiweka hapa and itoe the smell of our omena. So if you're the one who usually don't eat omena because of the smell of it, start eating. Try this procedure and you'll thank me later. And the omenas, guys, I don't know whether it's the myth or it is the truth. And that when you eat a lot of omena, you get big bags. Is it true, guys? If it is true, comment down below in the description box. Let us interact there. See guys, shakologa hivyo, you leave them, then unafunikia zichemuke kabisa. Zichemuke Then when you look at our water, maji yetu ni safi kabisa, so zikichemuka maji yetu itakuwa safi. It will be that somehow dirty, but it is not dirty, it is because of how zimejiosha. So guys, give this video a like. And we wait for them to boil. Guys, look at how I told you. So meaning our omenas are ready. So guys, let's go to the next procedure. This is what we are supposed to do. Tuna rinse hii maji yetu. See how dirty that water is. Like that. That is the hot water. Then from there, we put cold water inside this basin. Tunajaza hapo ndio hizi nini zetu float through. I want to show you the soil that I was telling you. Putting them here, I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. If you have something like this, use it tumia kutolea maji. Usidhubutu kufinya uwe, unapaswa kuwa mzima. Fanya hivi maji toke na chini. You see? You want them to be somehow dry because next we are going to put them on the pan and salt them. So guys, look at here. You see this? Hiyo ni mchanga. Wenye ukula mchanga kwa omena. You see? You see all this? Hiyo yote ni mchanga imetoka kwa hiyo omena.
So guys, here we are going to marinate our omenas with salt. Then we'll leave it like, let's say like 1 minute. Then we'll take it to the fire so that it can dry off all that water. So guys, stay tuned until the end to see how our omenas will turn up to be. So guys, while marinating your omenas, ensure that you use a fork so that you don't break all the omenas. Zinapaswa kuwa venye mnaziona zikiwa full. So use your fork to stir so that they can marinate well. By the way guys, let me know in the comment section, how do you prepare your omenas to your family? Let's interact with the comment section. Like this video, press the notification bell, share with your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend.
So guys, from here already we have marinated our omenas with salt. So if you can look my frame, you see the size of the frame, hivyo inapaswa kuwa. So hivyo we want this water, the remaining water to dry. So utaka ukistir pole pole tu mpaka zikauke. So guys, give this video a like. If kama hujaikula omena, start to eat omena using this process of shikiswangi. Guys, if you can look at the bottom of this pan of ours, did I tell you that the water will dry up? So keep on stirring until zote dry out. Hii maji unaona ni kama maji imeisha, you see? See guys, ni kama maji yote imeisha. If you can see down here. Guys, after that, you take a hole here on the center. Then you take your cooking oil like this. You pour it like that. Then we want to do like we are frying it. From here, you can add your frame, kiasi, but not that much, like that. Then keep on stirring like this. You want them to be somehow crunchy. That. Then you add this side. The cooking oil. Guys, while stirring, hatutaki kuua our omena. You see, yangu ni mzima mzima. They are not into pieces that is zimepasuka no. So you can also use your uma. Anything that you can use, just look for. Guys, did you see all that process of like we are frying it? This is the final result. You see how they have turned brown? Na bado hazijachura huku chini, you see? So don't pre-cook yours then useme ati sijui ati zako zikuonja vizuri. Also, the smell of the omena that you used to have imeshapotea. See? So guys, from here you can pack them inside your nini, your zenye wewe hutumia kupakia kuweka kwa fridge. Zikiwa hivi unawezeka kwa fridge guys, sio ukiwa umepika. You see, they are very dry and crunchy. You see, dry and crunchy.
By the way guys, if you want to store your omenas in the freezer, this is the stage where you have to kuziweka kwa your containers, then you pack them to your freezer. By the way, and they can last for 2 or maybe 3 months there. By the way, kishaziweka tu kwa hiyo containers alafu weka kwa freezer, utakuwa tu unatoa unakaanga. So guys, that is it.
To put them here. So guys, those are our omenas. See? So guys, that is it. But now hatujamaliza kufry. Stay tuned nionyeshe mwisho venye sasa utamaliza kupika.
that you can't eat omena. See how yummy they look. Yummy, 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 yummy in my tummy. So guys, with this procedure, I will thank me Retra.
So let me do a lesson with you guys. Our omena, dawa is. Guys, wish mungekuwa hapa muonje. Hiyo omena haina smell hata kidogo, hata. And if guys you fear eating them with head, you can cut it like this. But me, as I was saying guys, there kuna watu hawapendiki wana kichwa, unaweza decide kukata hivyo ukule the other body side of the omena. But for me, I don't choose please. Guys, unaona hata haina soup. Omena haipaswi kuwekwa soup, inapaswa kuwa hivyo dry fry. Try this recipe and thank me later. Nyinyi marafiki wangu mnasema mwezi kula omena. The recipe is here. So sweet and yummy. So guys, and that is the end of our today's video. Give this video a like. Guys. Share with your friends. Subscribe if not yet subscribed. Until next time. Bye.